everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the UE IoStore signature error, EloErrorCode Pak is invalid error in Fortnite on PC. This is a common issue caused by corrupted game files, but it's actually pretty simple to fix. Let's get into it. First, open the Epic Games Launcher. Find Fortnite in your library and click on the three dots next to it. From the menu that appears, select Manage. Inside the Manage window, you'll see the Installation section. Next to it, you'll see a File Explorer icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open the Fortnite game folder. Once you're inside the Fortnite game folder, open the Content folder. Inside there, open the Paks folder. Now click on Sort. Select More, then choose Size. Arrange them from lowest to highest. Now scroll down through the list and look for files that are smaller than 2,000 kilobytes. Starting from the smallest files at 1 kilobyte, select all the files up until you reach the point where files are 2,000 KB. Everything below that threshold needs to be selected. Once you've selected all the files under 2,000 kilobytes, right-click on them and select Delete. Now go back to the Epic Games Launcher and navigate to Library. Find Fortnite and click on the three dots again, then select Manage. This time, look for the Verify option and click on it. The verification process will begin. This can take a little while depending on your system, so just let it run until it's fully complete. You'll see it scanning and verifying each file. Once the verification process is finished, go ahead and launch Fortnite. The UE IoStore signature error, EloErrorCode Pak is invalid error should now be resolved, and you should be able to play normally.